Taiwan's campaign against COVID-19 received recognition in the latest edition of the Journal of the American Medical Association, which was published Tuesday. One journal article hailed Taiwan's government for acting quickly to contain the spread of the disease. In an exclusive interview with FTV, the article's lead author said Taiwan's government is a model for how democratic countries can react in a crisis.
The article is titled Response to COVID-19 in Taiwan. One of its co-authors is Stanford University Professor Jason Wang.
5个礼拜里面做124个命令，那可能还更多我们没有看到的。
They issued 124 orders in 5 weeks, and perhaps more that haven't gone public. Governments can't do that unless they're fundamentally very efficient. The string of decisions that were made, they were very difficult to make. Why were they difficult? Because Taiwan is a democratic country. When democratic countries make all these decisions, they very much depend on the cooperation of their citizens.
The article discusses how Taiwan's government stayed ahead of the COVID-19 epidemic and delivered speedy response measures. It mentions that the Epidemic Command Center earned trust from the public with its daily reports. The article concludes that Taiwan is an example of how a society can respond quickly to a crisis and protect its citizens, and that Taiwan's experience can be instructive for other countries.
CECC 每天都做记者会，那问问题的时候，
The CECC held a press conference every day. When they were asked questions, everyone was very patient and nice. The epidemic spreads very quickly, so you absolutely have to be fast.
Wang, the lead author of the article, is from Taiwan. He is currently an associate professor at Stanford University focusing on health technology and big data applications. He says he published the article to showcase Taiwan's efforts to the international community.
很多国家应该可以从台湾学到很多东西。
There are many countries that could take a lot from Taiwan's experience. The epidemic has already reached the U.S. I think Taiwan's experience would be of great help to the world.
借由台湾的这些经验，可以给其他的国家的一些
Taiwan's experience can be shared with other countries for future guidance on formulating response measures. This battle is still raging. I'd like to thank this ethnically Chinese professor in the U.S. for writing this article about us and letting the world see Taiwan's efforts.
As Taiwan grapples with COVID-19, its efforts are shaping up as an example to follow.